Hey friends, if you wish to get a list of all device drivers using command prompt, then please watch this video. Now, in this video, I will explain how to do it, then I'll explain why to do it. So it's easy. We have a command line. I have shared it in the description section of the video. Copy it, search for command prompt, the normal command prompt, open it, paste it, hit enter, and you get a long list of drivers here along with their information. Okay, but here's the catch: you get their module name and then the display name. Okay, so why can we just not search for device manager and open the device manager, and we get all the list of drivers, and then we can right click on them and then select properties and then go to the details tab and then check each information one by one. I think you got your answer, right? It's a very cumbersome process. So I'll have to pull it out for each and every driver separately, and that will need a lot of time. It needs 3 steps to check one piece of information for one driver. And here we have all this information in one go. And you can also export this information, but it's good enough here for me at least. So for example, I get the antivirus drivers, I get everything. All I need to do is scroll and I will get information for all the drivers in one single page. And that's a lot of information. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.